All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and let's take a look at what's going on around the shop. All right, James, upstairs James obviously, has this Fusion that the customer wants to start renting on Turo. Came in with a leaking brake line, power steering issues, cooling system issues. Yeah, needs a new rack. It's an electronic rack, so expensive. Needs a thermostat housing. And he's already done the brake fluid. And that's the condition of the car. Yeah. James also has the Subaru, and it is getting a new condenser and, well, headlight and front brakes. And then it's going to Subaru to get a new CVT because it's under the recall and it's having, well, CVT problems. All right, I've got this F-150 that is, well, loads of fun. It's getting timing chains, you know, the nice little 5.0 goodness. Also getting front hubs, front and rear brakes. They're metal to metal. So I won't call it a gravy ticket because we've had a heck of a time getting the right parts for this truck. The lights are from Friday's video. So it's going back together. Timing chains are already in. Just got to get the rest of it done. All right, this CRV is also mine. It's a complaint of power steering noise on startup. Fluid was black, really low. It's leaking out of the steering rack. So it's not sold yet. Waiting on approval for rack, line, and pump and reservoir because the reservoir has a filter in it, and as black as the fluid is, like it's motor oil colored. So I don't have. So it's getting an entire system because it's foobarred. Paul has this BMW. It's got the typical BMW problems. It's got a blower motor that needs to be replaced. Oil leaks, waiting on approval. Paul also has this Jeep. All the parking brakes, cables were seized. Rust, gotta love it. So he's should be done with this, just has to test drive it. Paul also has an engine to do. Actually, he's got two engines to do. He's got a Audi engine to do. Yeah, I don't know why we're doing a used engine other than the customer wants it. We're actually getting a new reman for a 6.4 Charger, Challenger, whatever, because it's locked up. You know, Charger things. Josh has this Acura for a washer complaint, getting a washer pump. Nothing real major on that. All right, this Ram is getting a heater core. Billy tore it apart, or tore most of it apart. He was out sick today. On last visit, it got a very expensive steering rack. It's out of warranty on mileage by a good bit. So, great job, Ram. All right. Josh has this pretty big ticket on this Jeep, doing radiator, coolant hoses, coolant leak. He's doing the oil cooler for a oil pressure sensor fault. So he should knock this off tomorrow. Of course, Craig's bay is empty for some reason every time I film these videos. So Craig did knock out a rear main seal on an all-wheel drive Denali. Did a bunch of other stuff, but tomorrow he's got to put a blend door actuator in a Chrysler product, and then whatever else comes in. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.